Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Mitsubishi Triton, stock number 5988. It's ran from 11th 2018 to the current shape. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a 4N15 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine. The front headlight, front bonnet, no dents. The front mirror, left rear door, no dents, left rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, rear tailgate, no dents, right rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door, no dents, right front headlight, right front guard, no dents, right front mirror, right front door, no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen Sat Nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, the front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,